Alright, here we have my first video in about a good 5 or 6 years. I will be briefly activating the 2400 panel that I have along with the Firelight pull station and my Gentex horn strobe, which will be only connected to the strobe light. I was originally going to use my Edwards strobe, but she does not appear to be flashing at the right rate. I don't know if she works right or not, but I will be using the Gentex strobe in this little quick video. Alright. So I can go ahead and start with the pull station. And if you hear the relays, you will notice that she is in March time. Getting the trouble because I do not have battery backup, and just because I can go ahead and put you back into alarm. Alright, I'm gonna reset that. Listen to those relays.